As you can see, I'm joined by a very special Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe this morning. This came into stock over the weekend and I've been out filming some content this morning. Thankfully the rain has held off. So a bit about the car before I hop back in it and go for another drive. We've got a 4 litre twin turbocharged V8 engine pushing 631 brake horsepower. I've read online that some of the 0 to 60 times are anywhere between 2.8 and 3.1 seconds, which again is absolutely absurd. I'm not going to be testing them figures today. I'm just going to go for a nice gentle cruise in our local area, film some more content, get a feel for the car and just enjoy it more than anything. But yeah, 2.8 seconds, this car has no right to be that quick. Currently, in regards to the Nürburgring lap time, I believe it's 7 minutes 28 again, which is a lap record for an SUV. So yeah, nothing's coming close to this at the minute. Obviously you've got the Lamborghini Urus hot on its tail, not quite caught up yet. Obviously the Performance has just come out, but again, looking at the prices, the Turbo GT Coupe is an absolute steal in regards to the performance you get from it. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to hop back in the car and take it for a drive. Been driving about all of 10 minutes and I've fallen in love with the car. It's not taking long. This is everything a V8 should be in today's market. I mean, a lot of cars with the restrictions and rev limiters, they're just not the same as they used to be. I mean, the Cayenne Turbo has been around for years now, and they've always been at the forefront of like the super SUV market, but this is living up to its name, that's for sure. I've just flicked it into sport mode. Revs high, sounds amazing, absolutely loving it. Yeah, it sounds great, especially when you drop it in gear. Wow, jeez, what a car. I've driven the Urus Performante and this feels nothing like it. This is levels and levels above that. I feel like I'm in a 911 seating position wise. You've got all the performance you want, which the 911 can offer. You've got the comfort of a 4x4. You can use this every day, day in, day out. I mean, what else can you get for the money at this price? It's enjoyment, usability. I mean, you've got all the little features like you've got Apple CarPlay, you've got the Burmester high-end audio. Got everything you want from a daily. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, 4 heated seats. It is everything you could ask for and more.